Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to talk about Is NotCoin A Scam. But before I start with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, is it a scam? Well, as you can see, NotCoin is worth this much per USD with a market cap of 1.58 billion USD dollars. If you take a look at this website, but of course, as with everything else, you need to determine whether it's a legit or a potential scam. I cannot tell you what to do. You have to decide on your own. There are some things we can look out for and read to know is it good or bad. So some things you can do to do your research is check their team members, company history, market presence. By taking the time to investigate these key areas, you can make a more informed decision about whether NotCoin is a legitimate investment opportunity for you or not. So as I said, it's not a definitive answer to the questions. Now, of course, some investors may have had positive experience with the platforms and others may have encountered issues or concerns. Ultimately, the decision to invest in NotCoin or any other cryptocurrency platform should be based on your own research, risk tolerance, and investment goals. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.